very proud of what we've done with our office. One of the challenges post-COVID was certainly trying to compete with people wanting to work from home. And so we worked really hard at trying to create a work environment that people really wanted to be a part of. So to start off the tour, this is our first conference room right here. I have to really give it up to Amanda Phifer, my sister, who did all the decoration for the office. So any credit should probably go to her for that. One of the other things I love to highlight here is ACCU got top 200 private owned companies in 2022. So really proud of this designation. And I just wanted to take a minute and showcase that. One of the things that we were looking for, which you'll see here in just a second, is really to have an amazing collaboration area for people to work in. You can probably hear behind me, the collaboration really does work in this scenario. But to have a kitchen where people can really break bread with each other, keep it stocked and available, really helps us keep our employees wanting to come to the office. So we really use the collaboration space not just to have availability for people to come and talk to each other, help one another out and learn from each other, but this is primarily where we hold our meetings too. The meetings that we have for ACCU are normally here in this area because it's big enough to accommodate all the staff members. Very comfortable sitting area, collaboration table, and of course the kitchen chairs brings everybody together to do our education and our instruction. When we were first getting this space, we were about to block off this area and only take that space, but we really needed this area to be able to expand this. We ended up taking on this area over here. We do have community managers on this side, our area for our printer and our mail machine all over here. Storage, of course, very proud of what we've done here. We'd like to extend the invitation to you. We'd really like for you to come down and see our operation. You're welcome anytime. More than happy to host, come down, spend some time with us and see what it is that we do here at ACCU.